In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a company profile in Canva. In order to do that, you first need to head over right here into your Canva homepage, head over to your templates, and head over and click onto the search right here. Search right here for company profile. So let's head over and search for that right here. Once you have searched for this particular keyword, you can see right here some documents or templates that you can use. Here we have this option, so you can just head over and then just choose which one you want to use. On my case, I'll head over and use right here this first one. So let's head over and click on this, then click on this customize this template. Once you have clicked on this should be able to open it. Here you can see what it looks like. So just head over and edit it, input or change some details, change the actual pictures, the details right here about this page, key factors, and the likes. Tailor it to actually depict what your company is like. Once you're done with everything, you can head over and print with Canva or share and download it to your liking. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.